friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. I am going to upcycle this wood base and create a beautiful wall decor. The Dasavataram set that I am using is Kondapalli style Dasavataram set. This wood frame is a double-sided entryway decor. If you know me, I like to create decor that is reusable, detachable and multi-purpose. As this frame is double-sided, I am going to reuse this frame multiple times for my home decor. The Dasavataram set that I am using is Kondapalli style Dasavataram set, which has beautiful red, blue, white, green colors. This frame I am going to paint very minimal with some white paint and orange paint to the corners. And to the corners, create a simple high and low mandala dot design. I have two magnets here. I'm going to attach one here and one here. Use some hot glue. Now I am attaching these magnets to this painter's tape. Gently press it down so that the magnets are attached to the painter's tape.